Hello everybody, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. I'm not entirely sure why we've got a box in a bag, but I'm sure there's a perfectly good enough explanation for that. This is a Hinkler Create diamond painting. However, personally I would have put it in a bag because like it's a massive box and I don't understand why. But anyway, let's get into this box. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of breath because when you're walking in this heat and got a rucksack on and carrying bloody parcels, it's it's a workout. So inside here we have something that says, I don't know, it looks like boo, or it could be a game of Squid Game. Look, 000. Oh wow. Okay, so just a little story behind this. This parcel has come all the way from Skegness. It's gone to Hull, from Hull to Warrington, from Warrington to Coventry, from Coventry to Ipswich, and Ipswich to me. So it's been around its fair share of the UK. So yeah, I can't believe it's come like from all these pit stops. Normally they'll only make like a couple of pit stops, but you know, it might go from like one unit to the next unit and then it's with you. But yeah, this has travelled quite a long way. So yeah, I did put an offer in, but she didn't get back to me. So I thought, oh, I better buy it in case it, you know, in case we run out. So yeah, right. I mean, in case it goes. My brain's not thinking today. So I can't undo it from here because I can see the lady's address is on the back of here. So I'm going to have to try and do it somehow. Let's get a bit of... I'll have to get a scalpel on this and see whether we can make a slight incision into here. I feel like a customs officer here. 3, 2, 1 and just try and get a bit incision. As I say, I can't understand why it's been put in a box, but looky. Oh wow. This unboxing, Hannah is gonna like jump up and down and scream. She's gonna really want this. Now it's quite funny because I actually saw this in Butlins, so I decided to get the Hogwarts train instead of Butlins. So oh my god, what is going on today? That made no sense. I decided to get the Hogwarts train as you paint. You can see that on my craft channel rather than this. And yeah, so oh, look at this. And can you see what it is, Hannah? It's a parrot. You love parrots, didn't you? So yeah, I thought I'd go for this. The lady only wanted £2 for this. So that's what I love about Vinted, because where you would normally pay what, a £5 on the works and £5 for postage, I get it knocked down a bit in price, which is nice. So I never understand why people sell it at such a low cost when they buy it, because surely they're losing money. But I'm hoping this will be okay, because the last time I bought a Hinkler Create, it was a unicorn and they said it was new and it weren't. And when I asked the lady why you've listed it as new, she said, well, you know, she's just been given a box and she didn't check. Well, you're supposed to check before listing it. And oh my god, yeah, look at this. This is the mix and okay, why has my blade fell out of there? This needs renewing, to be fair. I mean, but I just don't know where you get them blades from, you see. But this is 2 for 12 or 3 for 15. I'm unsure if they're still doing it. I'll just clarify that this is a bit misleading, because as you can see, it looks all lovely and shiny drills. When you get them, they're not actually shiny. They're just the standard drills. And that's what I find very misleading. But as you can see in here, these are our drills. I take all this apart. So I don't keep like the booklet thing of it. You get that lovely blue pen. You don't get a tray, because with Hinkler Create ones, they like to just provide these. So the idea is you tip them out in here and then you work from that. But I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to use the tray. You've got your little schematic there. And just look at the colouring on this, people. Oh my god, Jenny, I don't know if you're going to like this as well. Jenny loves going to the works. But this is just absolutely stunning. You sometimes get them at the zoo. I've seen a blue and red one at Colchester Zoo, And it's really interesting because when I went many years ago, there's no roof on the enclosure, but apparently they clip their wings to stop them flying off. And it would, like, all I kept thinking was when I was there is that they're going to fly off. Like, what are you going to do if you don't get them back? But I think one time there was an African grey that went missing on the news. And it took like several weeks and then they found them. But look at this, just this colouring is superb, because the great thing about this is the fact that you've got that beautiful vibrant piece. Crazy Louise Borges might like this as well, because she's got a little bird called Rio. But as you can see, the stick is not great, but it's got enough stick that, as you can see, it will hold it. But once all that colour's on there, that is gonna really pop like mad with all that colour against that black. This is stunning, absolutely gorgeous, as you can see. But yeah, the one at Colchester Zoo was like an all blue one, and then they had an all red one. I think they were males, I'm not sure, but oh my god, I'm very happy with this. All the way from Skegness, and I can never get it back on once I put it on. But oh my god, I'm gonna have a while of a time doing this. I really like this. So as I said, I paid £2 for this on Vinted. As I say, that could have easily gone in a mailing bag. I'm not entirely sure why they sent it box, but it's probably because to protect this. But as I say, I don't keep this like this book thing. I take all this off, just the canvas, and get rid of all the excess packaging. But oh my god, if you want to get this, I believe it's from the works, because that sticker is from the works. So yeah, they've still got it great. At the time of the recording this video, it looks like they're doing a mix and match deal, so 2 for 12 quid or 3 for 15, but it's entirely up to you. I'm really happy with my purchase. I'm itching to get into this. If you want to get this for yourself, I'll try and get the link for you. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Always tap that notification bell so that you can be alerted as and when a video pops up on the channel. This is the last video for July of the unboxings, because August we are changing unboxings. All will be revealed in August. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye now.